In this Canva tutorial, I will show you how to create fruit headdress for Nutrition Month using your free Canva account. So be sure to watch till the very end of this video. So let's use A4 landscape for the size. Then let's add shapes and resize. Then let's adjust the color. So for the first fruit, we will be doing orange fruit. Let's also add dotted lines. This part here, you will paste or staple the headdress together. So, I prefer putting a guide here, but it's really up to you on how you will make this. But for this tutorial, let's just make this basic for those who just want simple design. But if you want like 3D designs or not too basic like this, then comment down headdress tutorial and I'll make another video for you. So now let's add the orange. So you can get your graphics in two ways. Either you will get it from this pre-made graphics or generate your own. But for this example, let's just pick from here. Then let's add an outline. Go to shadows, click this outline, and pick the color from here. I really suggest you put some outline to make the headdress better looking. Then now let's add some font. And let's make the font even better looking. Now for the second shape, this will be the back of the headdress. Make sure to adjust and there you go. So you can use this personally or you can sell this type of digital product template. So by the way, if any one of you want this Canva template, comment down Canva template and I'll share the link below. So be sure to follow my page for more and to stay updated. See you in my next video. Bye!